did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. Welcome back.
Welcome back, Fly Vegans, back with another video. Today we're making vegan Brunswick stew. I want to start by placing some vegan butter into a hot pot. To that I'm going to add some celery and some onion. Then I'll let the celery and onion saute for about 10 minutes until they brown. Then I'll add some chopped tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some jackfruit. I rinsed and drained, and don't forget to remove the seeds like I did. I'm also using some frozen corn and lima beans. Now I'm going to mix all the vegetables with the onion and celery. Okay, it's time to add the seasoning. We're going to add some not chicken bouillon cubes, hot sauce, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, sea salt, and crushed red pepper.
Can't forget the barbecue sauce.
And some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add about 8 cups of water. Stir the stew to make sure everything is combined. Cover it with the lid. Let it cook down for 2 hours on medium heat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.